This property tour is going to be a little different than what we usually do. This is not actually the room that we rented. If you see our other videos, there was a tropical storm and our room pretty much got demolished, so they moved us to another one. And we were originally down in this yellow building. See if you can see it down there. And we were just in a basic queen room. There was really nothing to it. It had a bed and a bathroom and a little refrigerator and a coffee maker. And that was about it. So once the storm hit, they moved us to a more protected room, which ended up being this 2-bedroom, and they are letting us stay. They just cleaned our room. We've been here actually for, since Saturday night when our other room got demolished. So we do have our stuff spread out. This is the first bathroom. Nice. This is a lot nicer than what we're used to staying in usually. This is the bedroom that they put us in when the storm was coming, because it was protected from all the doors and the elements. All these are just closets through here. Got the kitchen here, or I'm sorry, dining room here. The kitchen is over there. Here's the master bedroom. We were afraid that they would move us rooms, but they did say we could stay at least until someone else needs it. So hopefully it'll be the duration of our stay, which is in a few days. This is the main bathroom. We've got some stuff hanging there too. There's a king bed in here, very comfy. There's Kelly in the living room. I got a TV. This is our view. It has been beautiful today, but right now there is a little bit of overcast. And this is the kitchen. All right, but really that's it. That's all there is to this one. And they do have, like I said, the queen room, which we were in. It's just a standard basic room. Then they have a double queen room. Then I believe they've got a 1-bedroom. This is the 2-bedroom, and they have a 3-bedroom. So we will go outdoors here and take a look so you can see what the beach looks like here, if I can get the door open. Oh, the weather is looking up a little bit. Maybe I should have went out the other door, but that one is easier to open, we've discovered. They are trying to clean the beach and everything after the storm. This is the beach area. Really no explanation needed with that. And this is what the condos look like. Still got the storm shutters on some of them. Alright, so that is it for Del Sol Beachfront Condos and Hotel. And I hope you enjoyed this property tour. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next adventure.